Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Phonics with Sana. Here we discuss each and everything about phonics. If you are new and you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly click on the bell icon, subscribe it so that you get notified about my latest video as it gets published. So today we are going to talk about the consonant sounds, everyone. Now you all can see that I have already written the alphabets over here. The 18 consonants which I am going to talk about are B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, Y, V, W, Z. Today we are going to see and understand how we pronounce these consonants, how we pronounce these alphabets. I have discussed about these sounds in detail in my previous videos as well. If you haven't checked it yet, you can click the link from the description box and you can check out those videos as well. Now these alphabets, you all can see when these alphabets are written alone, they are the alphabets. Now if we want to convert it in sound, if we want to convert these alphabets into sound, what are we going to do? We are going to simply put double hash like this, as you all can see, like this here. I have put double hash here in B, and now this alphabet B has become B. It has become a sound. The B, as I have put two lines over here, two hash lines, it has become a sound, that is B. Similarly, D, D, F. I am simply putting two lines and making these consonant alphabets a sound. G, K, H. Remember, it is H, H. J, J, K, K, L, L, P, R, S, T, Y, W, Z, and W. So now I have made all these alphabets sound. Now let's discuss about these sounds in detail. First of all, I am going to talk about three my most favorite alphabets which produce a unique sound, which produce a beautiful sound. That is the consonant K. What is it? K. The consonant P. What is it? P. And the consonant T. What is it? T. Now, in simple language, if I say what are these alphabets, it is K, P, and T, if I say. So here comes the influence of our language, our mother tongue language, which I was initially talking about in the video. That the mother tongue influence is a lot here in these three consonant sounds. Now understand what is the difference and how are they actually pronounced. K, P, and T. These three sounds have a feeling of H, in them. It is extremely influenced by H. So whenever I am saying K, there is an H coming in K. K plus H becoming K. A beautiful sound of K can be seen. P plus H. P, P, P. What is the sound of P? P, P, P. T plus H. T, 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 T. Right? So now, let's talk about these three sounds. K plus H. The sound is K. P plus H. The sound is P. T plus H. The sound is T. 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 Yeah? Let's give it a practice. Let's give it a thumbs up. Come on, practice with me everyone. K, P, t, k, p, t, not k, p, t, not like this, not k, p, t, it is k, p, t. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, one by one coming on all the consonant sounds. B. Now here there is no influence of H. There is no feeling of H. So don't say B as B. Don't say D as D. Don't say F as F. Right? So don't say like this. Let's simply understand it and let's take two examples to discuss the sounds of each and every consonant. It's very simple, very easy, fun learning. B. The sound of B is B, B, bat, B, B, bat, B, B, bed, B, B, bed, B, B, book, B, B, book. The sound of D. D, D, dog, D, D, drum, D, D, doll, D, D, dice. The sound of A. Fish, fan, flower, fig. Sound of G. G, g, goat, g, g, girl, g, g, god, g, g, gun. The sound of H. Remember, what is it? Not H, it is H. See the posture of my lips, it is H. H. What is the sound? Hut, house, hat. The sound of J. J, 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 jelly, j, j, jam, j, j, jug, j, j, jar. The sound of K, my favorite. K, k, kite, k, k, kite, k, k, kettle, k, k, kettle, k, k, knock, 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 knock. It has a story we will discuss later. L, lollipop, lion, lamb. Monkey, monkey, man, man, mouse, mouse. What is the sound of M? The sound of N. Nest, net, net. Parrot, put, ping. Okay, so R. Rabbit, rose, run. Sound of S. Snake, smile, sit, sun. The sound of T. Toy, ten, together. The sound of Y. The sound of Y. The sound of Y. So here I want to tell you a little something about the influence of the English and Hindi. The system, the English system and the Hindi system. So here I want to take an example here. Y-E-A-R, ear. What do you say? Sometimes, often people say Y-E-A-R as ear. They say it as ear. Y-E-A-R as ear. But no. What is the sound of Y? It is ear. It is ear. So, how we will pronounce Y-E-A-R? We will pronounce Y-E-A-R as ear, not ear. It is not ear, okay? So don't fool yourself and the English. It is not ear, it is ear. Y-E-L-L-O-W. What is the sound of y? Y? It is y. It is y, right? It is not yellow. It is not yellow. It is yellow. 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 So I hope the sound of Y is very much clear. So make sure that whenever you see Y, whenever you see Y-E-A-R, you're not pronouncing it as ear, and yellow as yellow or anything like that. It is year, year. A very, very beautiful sound of Y is coming. That is year, year. Wow, it's lovely, right? Now, a very typical sound again, the sound difference of W and V. Kindly see my posture again. What is the sound of V? Often we are confused and the parents and the trainers are confused that what is the sound of W and what is the sound of V. The sound of V, it is V, V, V. It is van, van, vet, V, V, V. It is like a duck mouth opening slight. V, V, V. The sound of W, by the way, is W, W, W. It is wet, water, watch. I hope it's clear, the sound of V and W. Again, Z, my favorite, one of my favorite. I never say and I never call Z as Z. It is into so much. It's into habit that I am calling Z as Z always. So, Z, 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 zebra, Z, Z, zoo. What is the sound of Z? It is Z, 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 zebra. Okay, I hope the sounds are very much clear. Specifically talking about the sound of K, P, T. Coming at last is what? A slight H sound, a slight sound of H. Pen, kite, toy. I hope it's clear. Let's revise it once again. B, 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 D, D, D. G, G, G. J, J. K, 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 K. Ooh, P, 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 R, S, T, 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 T. Y, Y. F, F, F. Z, Z. Okay, so this was all about the consonant sounds. I hope the sounds of P, T and K is clear, a lot more clear. The sound of V and W is clear. So I hope the consonant sounds are very much clear to all of you now. There are 18 consonant sounds and we have learned it thoroughly now. In my next video, I will be talking about digraph. What are digraph? A sneak peek. What is a digraph? Two letters making one sound. Two letters making one sound is known as digraph. The details of the digraph we will be talking about in the next video. Specifically, as we are talking about consonants these days, I will be taking up the consonant digraphs only, not the vowel digraphs. So tune in, keep learning, keep practicing always. Learn with Sana, learn phonics with Sana. I will see and catch you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep practicing. Love you all. Take care.